Welcome to Day 7. We've officially finished our first week of Faith Foundations. We've traveled from the physical act of hearing on Day 1 all the way to making daily decisions on Day 6. Today is different. This channel is called the listening ear, and today I want to practice that by listening to you. Whether you're here for the first time or watching the replay, I want to know, what are you hearing from God this week? Before we dive into your questions, let's do a 60-second recap of where we've been. Day 1. We learned that faith isn't a feeling, it's a result of hearing the Word. Day 2. We discovered the Word is alive and interacts with us. Day 3. We practiced the 5-minute fast to tune out the world's noise. Day 4. We checked our heart's soil to see if we were ready to receive. Day 5. We learned God gives us a lamp for our next step, not a spotlight for the whole map. Day 6. We used the Word as a compass for our real-world decisions. Now, let's get to your questions. Question 1. What if I feel like I'm listening but hearing nothing? Question 2. How do I know if it's God's voice or just my own thoughts? In the chat, type one word that describes your faith journey this week. As we close out week 1, remember, the goal isn't just to fill your head with more facts. The goal is for your ear to give sight. I am so proud of you for showing up every day. Next week, we move into week 2, illuminating the step, where we'll get even deeper into the practical how-to of walking in the light. If you haven't yet, join our community by subscribing and sharing what you heard in the comments below. I'm Matthew Padiocci, and this is Faith by Hearing. I'll see you for Day 8.
Day 7, we've come a long way together. From the first spark of sound to the steps on the ground, this is our time, our community. What are you hearing today? It's the Faith Foundations recap. A week in the light, 6 days of hearing, 6 days of hearing, 6 days of sight. From the ear to the heart where the living seeds grow. Following the lamp everywhere that we go. The ear gives sight and the Word is the key. Welcome to the family of the listening ear community. Day 1, we learned faith starts with a sound. Day 2, the Word is alive, pulsing around. Day 3, we muted the noise just to hear His voice. Day 4, we softened the soil making. Day 5, the lamp lit the step at our feet. And Day 6, the compass made the journey complete. You asked, what if the silence is all that I feel? Even when He's quiet, He's working for you. You ask, is it God's voice or my own thoughts too? Tested by the Word, does it align with the truth? His voice brings a peace that is steady and smooth. It's the Faith Foundations recap. A week in the light, 6 days of hearing, 6 days of hearing, 6 days of sight. From the ear to the heart where the living seeds grow. Following the lamp everywhere that we go. The ear gives sight and the Word is the key. Welcome to the family of the listening ear community. Welcome to the family of the listening ear community. Welcome to the community. Type that one word, let your journey be told. Type that word. Watch the next segment, watch the light unfold. Watch it unfold. Illuminating the step, we're going deeper still. Illuminating the step, walking in the light, doing His perfect will. It is perfect will. This is Faith by Hearing. See you for Day 8.